Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to review the one card which is by the Fintech one. I have received this card just today. I'll be unboxing it and showing you how is the card. So let's get started. This is how the boxes come. This is the back side of the box, and now let me just open it and see what's inside. So when you open the box, it says say hi to one card. It is a Visa signature and a credit card reimagined for the mobile generation. So let's see, what do we have inside? Okay, I think this will have our card. So I have removed this, and when you open it, it says one card, welcome to the one card family. It is by Federal Bank, and they have some more information about their social media here. So let's get started. Let me open the card. Let me get the card out. The next step is to activate the card, and let me remove the card. So here it is, our one card. It is a black color card. It is a metal card, and please note that this card is like no other card on the market. The feel, the touch. So here is the card. This card is like no other card on the market. It is heavy. It's a proper metal card. If you have ever used Amex card or Amex Black, this is what metal feels like. It's like the Regalia, the Infinia metal. Yeah, so by Federal Bank, you have all your details here, where my fingers are, the card number, the CVV, etc. Now coming to why have I ordered this card? Well, so now coming back to why have I purchased this card. This card, one card, is mostly because of the touch and the feel of the card for me. If you go to look at the overall point system, this has one of the least points compared to other cards. So yes, I mean, if you are looking for a card that feels good in hand, touch, looks good, you can take this. But overall the reward system is somewhere between 0.25 to 1%, that is max. Hopefully in the future they should be able to give us better deals and better reward points, but for now, because they are a startup, one is a startup, this is the best you can get. The one feature that I am happy about is convert. The one and only feature that I like about this card is that it has a EMI calculator inbuilt in the app, whereby you can calculate, you can swipe, calculate if you want to convert it into EMI, and how many months do you want the EMI for. So it will give you a breakdown of what will be the charge, etc. They are charging at present around 1.13% for EMI, which is all right, but I would seriously request one to give better offer, even something like a Unicard or Slice at least offer 1% cashback. So yeah, please one, do take this feedback. Love the feel and the touch of your card. Thank you so much. It's a lovely card.